हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्टूडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का विद क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट। द सर्कुलर जस्ट नाउ रिलीज्ड बाय मिस्टर एस सी जैन सर, respected senior, working very hard for the entire working pensioner fraternity. उनकी तरफ से हाल ही में जो अभी अपडेट्स हुई हैं उसको लेके यहाँ पे सर्कुलर लिखा गया है। ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन to all office bearers, central committee members, state committee chiefs regarding the modifications in the Indian Bank Association group medical insurance renewals for 25-26. So as per the United Form of Bank Union communications under circulation in the social media and minutes of meeting convened by the IBA on 13th of June 2025 to finalize modifications in the group medical scheme for the retirees. Following important changes have been made in the scheme. Sum assured limits has been enhanced as under for award staff from rupees 3 lakh to 4 lakh, for officer staff up to scale 5 from 4 to 5.25 lakhs, and for officers of scale 6 and above from 4 lakh to 7 lakh. So in this way, no, there will be three categories for retirees instead of present two. Mentally, physically challenged dependent family members shall be included by way of add-on, and any additional cost for this add-on will have to be borne by the retirees. Robotic surgery shall be considered in cases where conditions of the patient warrant such treatments. Cataract operations, upper cap shall be rupees 40,000 per eye. First time former capping on any treatment in the IBA policy. Hormonal therapy for cancer. Super top up policy will be issued for a sum assured of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and 3 lakh. So, as per the communication of United Forum of Bank Union, this year employee retirees will be combined one with same terms and condition and with same amount of premiums. The above modifications carried in IBA group medical scheme are likely to pose the following challenges for the retirees. You will find that all revised sum assured are tight jackets, one without any flexibility. In other words, one has only two options, either to go for insurance for specified sum assured or skip the insurance. For example, award staff retiree has to go compulsory for sum assured of 4 lakh, irrespective of his or her requirement and paying capacity. So the enhanced limits will result into increase in premiums for retirees, which how many will be able to afford need to be examined. So these are the various limits here. The above increase in sum assured will result into increase in premium rates for retirees by 33 to 75%, which will be substantial additional financial burden on retirees. So how many retirees will be able to afford additional financial burdens is to be seen. So we are afraid many will be forced to opt out of scheme due to unaffordability reasons. So it is also to be seen whether such increase is need based for retirees and will provide additional corresponding benefits to them. So it is mentioned in United Farmer Bank Union circular that 80% claims are in the range 50 to 60,000 with this sort of empirical data. So we do not think there is any justification in enhancing sum assured, putting additional financial burden on retirees who are required to bear the premium cost. So considering these facts, it appears that the modifications are likely to put retirees in the disadvantageous situation here. So friends, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, it is fact that IBA and unions are not ready to hold any consultations with the retiree organization on group medical scheme or any other retiree issues, despite AIBRF continuous follow-up in the matter for last several years. So IBA stand on this issue is that they are professional body and enjoys no authority to hold discussions with retirees without specific mandate from member bank. So unions are of the view that it is not practical to hold consultation with retiree organization for various reasons on retirees issues, and they decide retirees issues through negotiations which they consider in the interest of retirees and expect retiree organizations to accept the decisions without questioning them. So it is also peculiar situation that IBA enjoys mandate from member banks to decide on retirees issues including the group medical scheme, but does not have authority from member banks to hold the discussions. So with the beneficiaries who are directly affected. So whether this argument of IBA is legally tenable, we feel at AIBRF level it needs to be critically examined and necessary steps needs to be taken to provide more legitimacy and credibility to retirees movements in the banks. So it appears that unions are not in a mood to address this issue seriously for the reason best known to them. So it is also seen that sum assured for super top up policy has been reduced from last year maximum of rupees 5 lakh to 3 lakh this year. So this decision will also adversely affect retirees at higher limit under super top up policy. So above developments are proposed to be deliberated in forthcoming office bearer meeting जो कि अभी 26-27 जून को है through video conferencing to find out some specific and acceptable solution to the issues created through our modification in scheme to protect the interest of the retirees. So friends, this is the whole circular. I think we have gone through each line very carefully. So please share this maximum, I would say. So that's it. Thank you, friends.